Welcome back. Lots of action in today's trading session. An amazing weekend of football, that's to be sure. TCU silenced any questions about whether or not they are for real, while Utah has nothing but questions after their 40-point loss. Brad ignored the naysayers and played Michael Vick and benched Peyton Manning. Well, that was the right decision. Not only did the Eagles beat the Colts, keeping Andy Reid undefeated when coming off a bye week, but Vick scored 25.12 fantasy points and Manning only 10.76. This morning, apparently there are no congratulations. Oh well, Brad still needs 7.5 points out of Chad Ochocinco and Mike Nugent, Cincinnati kicker, to win this week's contest, despite the stout performance by Michael Vick. This morning, both STD and BBVA were weak, but BBVA was noticeably weak. After getting a corporate action to swap out of the ADR for BBVA and into the ordinary shares held at a foreign bank, we are done with BBVA for a small loss. It's been a terrific position for us for about a year, and the dividend created 12 free shares for us thanks to reinvestment of that dividend. But all good things must come to an end, so we're out of BBVA, but we'll retain our holding in STD, and we'll add to the name if it weakens materially. Next Friday's option at expiration, so we're really not looking to put on any last trades unless the market really gives us something to sell. Try to get some of the 1 and 2 penny spreads we're short off our screen going into next week. So if we can see an opportunity on Monday or Tuesday with only a few days left until expiration, we can take advantage of it. This morning, we hope you caught our tweet regarding HSFT. Last week, when we talked about fire, we directed your attention to the other computer services company, HSFT, that was in the same space that we wanted to own. We started a small position last week at the end of the week and wanted to wait for further weakness to add to the shares. Well, this morning on the open, we got the stock down 7% just today. We were looking at a 10% decline from where we bought the initial position, and we threw down the gauntlet and more than doubled our position. The stock went from down $2 to down 10 cents. So we're now up on the position and looking for $30 on the stock before we take some off. We'll continue to accumulate HSFT if we get another shot. $25.94 was the best price we grabbed this morning, so around 26 is where we'll add again to the position. For a fundamental breakdown of what they do and their balance sheet, check out last week's episode by putting the terms MO Financial and HSFT into the YouTube search bar and you'll find the video. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you're quicker than the ticker as this market seems to only give you a fraction of a moment to get into what you want, like we did with fire. We finally got the price we wanted and we took advantage. Have a great day and we'll see you tomorrow.